Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cheese lava cake using an easy method. First, gather your essential ingredients: cream cheese, eggs, granulated sugar, and heavy cream. It's important that all these items are at room temperature to ensure a smooth, lump-free batter. Also, prepare your baking vessel. A small, oven-safe dish, approximately 4 inches in diameter, works perfectly for a single serving. Now, let's create that wonderfully smooth batter. In a mixing bowl, beat the softened cream cheese with the sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, with no visible sugar granules. Next, incorporate the eggs one by one, ensuring each is fully blended before adding the next. Finally, gently fold in the heavy cream until it's just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, it's time for baking. Carefully pour the mixture into your prepared 4-inch baking dish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. The key is to remove it when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. This ensures that delightful, molten lava texture when you cut into it. Once baked, allow your cheese lava cake to cool completely at room temperature. For the best texture and flavor, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours. This cooling period helps the cake set properly and enhances the lava experience. When ready, simply serve and enjoy your homemade treat. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic e-reader deal and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.